In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up your Java development environment using JDK and Eclipse IDE. By the end, you will be ready to start coding for your first Java program. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for JDK download. Click on the official Oracle website. From there, select a version that matches your operating system. Here I am downloading JDK 21. It is the latest version. Select the version that matches your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac OS or Linux. I am downloading for Windows because I have a Windows operating system. Go to 64-bit installer, click on the link and start the download. The file might take few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, install JDK by opening the downloaded file. Click Yes. Follow these steps. Click Next, then Install, and finally finish. After installation, we need to set up a path in the environment variable to ensure Java runs smoothly. Right-click on this PC or my computer, select Properties, and go to Advanced System Setting. Click on Environment Variable. Under System Variable, find the path variable. Click Edit and add the JDK bin path. Go to Browse. Go to this PC. Go to Program Files. Go to C drive where you have downloaded and go to Java folder. Here you select JDK 23. Go to bin and select the path. Just click OK, OK and OK. Now open command prompt and type java ---- version to confirm the installation. You should see the installed version details. Also type Java C to ensure the compiler is working. Next we will download Eclipse IDE. Again open your browser. Search for Eclipse download. Go to the Eclipse website. And click on More Downloads. Choose the latest version of Eclipse IDE suitable for your operating system. Click Download and wait for the file to complete. While downloading, it takes some time, depends on your internet speed. After downloading Eclipse, extract a folder from the downloaded zip file. To keep the things organized, create a new folder named Software and move the extracted Eclipse folder into it. Now open the Eclipse folder and double-click on the executable file. Click on the Eclipse. Launch the IDE. Choose the location where you want to save your Java programs. I am creating one folder. And I have choose that folder. Click on Launch. By default, Eclipse might open in the JEE perspective. To switch to Java perspective, click on the perspective icon in the top right corner and select Java. This will optimize the interface for Java development. Let's write our first Java program. In the Eclipse, go to File or go to here and create new Java project. Name your project. Whatever you want, you can give the name of your project and click Finish. Inside the project, go to Source folder, right click on it and create new Java class. Here you give the package name. Here you give the Java class name. If you want, the Eclipse IDE will generate a public static void main string of args. Mark on it and click on Finish. Now Eclipse has been given a boilerplate code. Now write your program. System.out.println. Click on the Run button. At the top, you will see Welcome to NanoTechWorks printed in the console, and that your Java development environment is ready. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your JDK 21 and latest version of Eclipse IDE and written your first Java program. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video.